Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. First, I told about how to use Layer 2 rollups to avoid gas fees. Ultra-high gas fees and slow transaction times have tested the loyalty and patience of Ethereum users ever since it became the leading smart contract platform. Despite everything, Ethereum was still processing roughly 1.19 million transactions per day as of January 2022, amid a massive dip in the market. However, the concerns of existing users cannot be ignored if Ethereum wants to remain on top, especially with the proliferation of faster chains like Solana, BSC, Phantom and many more. The best immediate solution for Ethereum's scaling problem is undoubtedly Layer 2 rollup technology, which has been in development and pursued by separate entities since at least 2017. If such a solution exists, everyone should already be using it, right? The truth is that there are some trade-offs to Ethereum on-chain that currently prevent Layer 2 $2 than ever before. From incredibly good volumes to manageable RSI levels of around 67 at press time, all technical factors seem to indicate that a flipping of this crucial resistance of the past 2 months is finally close at hand. Trading close to $1.1 at the time of writing, a breakout over $1.2 seems quite imminent. A breakout over the $1 region would also turn out to be a breakout over the 200-day moving average, signaling a reversal in the broader trend too. Online chatter about this coin also saw a major uptick with its recent 26% rally. Such an increase in social dominance could point to further optimism in the alt going forward. On-chain valuation metrics for LRC seem to be picking up on the optimism too. The NVT ratio, despite its recent jump in market cap thanks to its rally, has dipped significantly. This may be a sign of a far larger increase in transaction volumes on the blockchain. Major value creation seems to be underway, lending weight to the aforementioned breakout theory. Even its MVRV ratio is in the negative territory, suggesting that the coin may still be very undervalued at the moment, and if holders were to sell their holdings, most of them would realize major losses on their books. LRC's daily active addresses also saw a substantial jump in numbers, lending support to optimistic numbers from the NVT ratio. Possibility of profit booking, however, there is one concerning sign as well. The adjusted price divergence flashed major red sell signals despite this price hike. This does come as a surprise and something one needs to keep an eye out for. Inferring from all the positivity from the other metrics so far, one can reason that sell signals here might as well point to some profit booking, after the 26% intraday LRC is an open-source decentralized exchange protocol that combines an off-chain order book and on-chain settlement contracts to help traders complete successful trades. It is a blockchain agnostic protocol that can be deployed on any blockchain that supports smart contracts, such as Ethereum, Neo, QTUM, or EOS. However, it is worth noting that they are more than just an exchange app. They are a protocol that promotes interoperability among decentralized applications, dApps, with exchange functionality, by acting as a common building block for open standards. Trades are carried out using an Ethereum smart contract system that is open to the public, free to use, and to which any dApp can connect. What is Loopring, LRC? Loopring, LRC, is an open-source and audited non-custodial exchange protocol. It aims to enable anyone to build decentralized exchanges on top of it by utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. ZKPs ensure that assets remain under the control of users at all times. Loopring's goal is to improve order execution efficiency and DEX liquidity by centralizing order management and settling trades on the blockchain. The vast majority of cryptocurrency trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges operated by private corporations. The 3 main risks of centralized exchanges are lack of security, a lack of transparency, and a lack of liquidity. In order to address these concerns, a new type of exchange known as the decentralized exchange has emerged. Decentralized exchanges, however, are not without flaws. Performance and structural constraints continue to be a problem. Running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge rollup ZK rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2 and create a validity proof for every batch. This drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK rollups do not require fraud challenges, since the validity proofs are already verified, allowing fast withdrawal. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the LRC could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. LRC Rate Prediction 2030. LRC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.